My name is Chef Fran, and today we're making Mexican pizza. This is a copycat of the Mexican pizza they have at Taco Bell, but we're doing the mini version of it. So we have some corn tortilla. We have our Himalayan salt and black pepper for our meat, of course. And we also have some parsley, some chili powder, a little bit of cayenne, paprika, and oregano, and garlic powder, onions and garlic that went into our meat. We have some enchilada sauce, and we have some Mexican cheese, and we have some parsley and tomatoes. And that is how to make this Mexican pizza. Really simplistic. And our refried beans.
Here's our vitamin content.
So first thing I'm doing is frying my tortilla. Let it come out, be a little crispy. So I have refried beans here. Just gotta watch it so it doesn't burn or anything. Just spread it out, your refried beans. This is pinto beans. You can use black refried beans, any refried beans that you particularly like. And I had some meat. Let's place on it. Mine's is probably much more meatier than theirs. You know, they're gonna obviously be cheap. This is mass produced, right? So they're not gonna be generous with their cheese to you. And then I just seen the top that. All you're gonna do with your top is that you're gonna put your enchilada sauce, spread it all around till you got all the crevices covered. Now that you have your enchilada sauce all here, now you're gonna put your Mexican cheese. And we're gonna bake it till it melts, and then we'll just garnish it with our diced tomatoes as they do. I'm doing parsley because I cannot have cilantro. I am allergic to it. Right here. And so this is gonna bake for 5 minutes just till the cheese melts, and then we'll have Mexican pizza. I'm just gonna decorate half of this side with our tomatoes. So this is parsley, no cilantro for me. And so here's my mezzaluna. Hear that crunch? Even though it's small, we still cut it in 4. And there you go, our mini pizza. Hear that nice crunch? So I'm using my mezzaluna. Here are our results. Let's dig in. I'm gonna go with the smallest piece. Here is our mini version to our Mexican pizza, the Taco Bell copycat. This is good, honey. I already started digging in.
And here are a list of ingredients.
It's really simple. All you need is some refried beans, some ground beef, some enchilada sauce, some Mexican cheese, some tomatoes, some diced tomatoes, and some cilantro, or in my case, parsley, and some tortilla. You can use flour. You can use a mix of flour and corn. You just need to fry it up till it's a little crispy and light GBD, light golden brown. And you can have yourself Mexican pizza too at home. Don't forget to click the like button by giving me a virtual hug when you do that. That lets me know you're enjoying what I'm putting out for you. If you haven't subscribed to this channel already, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe and share this channel with your family and friends. They will thank you. And also hit that bell notification so you know every time we upload a new video. This here is an easy fix, an easy make. Now, honey, save yourself a few dollars. Instead of going to Taco Bell, you can do the copycat at home. I always tell you, use what you got. So if you don't have Mexican cheese or Fiesta cheese, and you got yourself just some cheddar cheese, honey, you make do with just that. That'll work. You gotta make sure you got your tortilla. Now you probably have some tortilla if you do burritos, tacos and things like that, homemade stuff. So you probably have yourself some tortilla at home. I encourage you to definitely do this. Worth the try, especially if you love Mexican. Tastes really good as well. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. I do appreciate your time. I love you guys.
Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.